Welcome back to English with Sarah. I am Sarah, and I am so happy to see you here for day 4 of our 10-day shadowing challenge. You have already completed 3 days, which means you are truly committed to your success.
Hi everyone, I'm Tom. Welcome to day 4. Today, we're leaving formal talk behind and entering the social world. We'll practice the best phrases for hanging out with friends, making weekend plans, and talking about your favorite hobbies.
This is my favorite topic, Tom. To make friends in English, you need natural, relaxed phrases. Remember our golden rule on English with Sarah? Listen to the 60% slow speed to catch every sound, catch the rhythm at 90% speed, and use the extra strong pause to shadow out loud. Let us begin.
Phrase number 1. Listen slowly. Are you free to hang out this weekend? Natural speed. Are you free to hang out this weekend?
Wonderful. Phrase number 2. Listen slowly. What are your plans for tomorrow evening? Natural speed. What are your plans for tomorrow evening?
Excellent. Phrase number 3. Listen slowly. Let us go to the park for a walk. Natural speed. Let's go to the park for a walk.
Great energy. Phrase number 4. Listen slowly. Would you like to join us for dinner? Natural speed. Would you like to join us for dinner?
Beautiful. Phrase number 5. Listen slowly. That sounds like a lot of fun. Thank you. Natural speed. That sounds like a lot of fun. Thank you.
Good job. Phrase number 6. Listen slowly. I'm sorry, but I cannot make it tonight. Natural speed. I'm sorry, but I cannot make it tonight.
Very clear. Phrase number 7. Listen slowly. Let us choose another day to meet up. Natural speed. Let's choose another day to meet up.
Nice tone. Phrase number 8. Listen slowly. What do you like to do in your free time? Natural speed. What do you like to do in your free time?
Brilliant. Phrase number 9. Listen slowly. My absolute favorite hobby is reading books. Natural speed. My absolute favorite hobby is reading books.
Fantastic. Phrase number 10. Listen slowly. I really enjoy listening to music every day. Natural speed. I really enjoy listening to music every day.
You're doing great. Phrase number 11. Listen slowly. How long have you been playing football? Natural speed. How long have you been playing football?
Perfect. Phrase number 12. Listen slowly. I love watching movies on Friday night. Natural speed. I love watching movies on Friday night.
Outstanding. Phrase number 13. Listen slowly. I like cooking healthy meals for my family. Natural speed. I like cooking healthy meals for my family.
Great control. Phrase number 14. Listen slowly. Are you interested in photography or art? Natural speed. Are you interested in photography or art?
Great style. Phrase number 15. Listen slowly. I prefer spending my time outdoors in nature. Natural speed. I prefer spending my time outdoors in nature.
Superb. Let's keep going. Phrase number 16. Listen slowly. Where should we meet up tomorrow afternoon? Natural speed. Where should we meet up tomorrow afternoon?
Very useful. Phrase number 17. Listen slowly. I will pick you up at 6 o'clock. Natural speed. I'll pick you up at 6 o'clock.
Incredible accuracy. Phrase number 18. Listen slowly. Thank you for inviting me to your party. Natural speed. Thank you for inviting me to your party.
Almost there. Phrase number 19. Listen slowly. I had an absolutely wonderful time today. Natural speed. I had an absolutely wonderful time today.
Excellent. Phrase number 20. Listen slowly. We should definitely do this again soon. Natural speed. We should definitely do this again soon.
Keep pushing. Phrase number 21. Listen slowly. What is your absolute favorite type of food? Natural speed. What's your absolute favorite type of food?
Beautiful. Phrase number 22. Listen slowly. I'm a big fan of Italian pizza. Natural speed. I'm a big fan of Italian pizza.
Wonderful. Phrase number 23. Listen slowly. I love discovering new places in the city. Natural speed. I love discovering new places in the city.
Powerful. Phrase number 24. Listen slowly. Tell me more about your recent holiday travel. Natural speed. Tell me more about your recent holiday travel.
Grand finale phrase. Phrase number 25. Sharing good moments with friends makes me happy. Natural speed. Sharing good moments with friends makes me happy.
Absolutely spectacular! Day 4 is officially in the books. 25 amazing phrases to help you speak casually and make wonderful friends in English. Your rhythm is becoming so much more natural.
It really is, Sarah. Social English is all about being relaxed. Make sure to watch this video again tonight to keep your mouth muscles sharp.
Don't forget to subscribe to English with Sarah. Leave a comment below saying Day 4 done and hit that like button.
Now, let's look forward to tomorrow. Day 5 is going to be a very important and deep lesson. We're moving away from short sentences and doing something big. Sarah, tell them what's coming.
Oh, Day 5 is a major milestone. Tomorrow, we are going to practice problem solving and expressing emotions. You'll learn how to explain an emergency, describe how you feel when you're stressed or happy, and ask for help calmly. This is essential for real life.
Thank you for practicing with us today on English with Sarah. Keep shadowing, keep shining, and we'll see you tomorrow for Day 5. Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. See you tomorrow.